masnya ke budaya wajari wala pa ni pore ko na perdi ba kan wi bala o khum ye ai pore bile o san ma hashpatan o na o iuner o wan ni CEU Central Agriculture University of Valita
Haksi balang jogatayo ka Southern Ujimang Arja Apuar ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Central Agricultural University Meghalaya ringkat ka jingatray lang ka ICAR NCIPM New Delhi Badminton Pentornan Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization kala penlong ka Jinghikai pensngotho but samro yo Symbai ka ba CAUR1 Nongrep ka Shnong Sohmynting West Jante Hills District. Nakaliang KL Pariat Advisor kaseng Minturu Pentornan Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization uli thu boyo new jat kaba Symbai kila dap rap Minturu Pentornan habukla but kindiat haus nambala dap kila rap Minturu Pentorwa u Dr. KN Singh but u Dr. M Pathak na CAU CPGS Yam Riboy District kila penso thu shakinong rap hakabay day but udi u Symbai nakababatay ba ulong u Symbai u babha batru u basay so shibun Shushu kila batay ro ikarukom long ki jaka baya hapan rap yaw new jat Symbai. Hakani kasngi ladon kumba arpsan ngot kinong rap kibala yo Jinghikai ban pensngothu kumjuru kibala yo kuba Symbai haringkat ka jingadon lang udoloy ka ilaka amwi.
Is our respected Malaysia or currently they have already told many good things about this variety. So I want to say something, only key points for this particular variety. This variety was developed at Central Agricultural University at Impal, and one branch is also here at Marapani. So this variety is very good if you can grow properly. So where to grow and how to grow, I will give few tips only. But other things you know better because you will be doing yourself, and last many years also you will be doing. So now I will tell about this variety. So this variety should be grown in sunny areas, not in shadow areas. And there should not be high amount of poultry manure and piggery manure and anything. There should not be. And it should be grown in fertile area, but there should not be high amount of poultry manure and high amount of your piggery manure and nearby your residence. It should not be grown. And it should not be grown in shady area. In sunny area, and you have to prepare your nursery properly with sufficient amount of your manure. That is manure. Normally we used to give that cow dung manure, isn't it? And the soil portion half and cow dung portion half. You sow the seed properly, and the nursery bed should be prepared very fine and with time. Okay. With sufficient time you should keep while preparing the nursery bed, and it should be dig out and crush it and fine, and then expose to the sun, and then again after 2-3 days again you just turn the soil and then level it properly, and then you just put half of your manure on that. After that you just sow your seed. Okay, how much quantity you have to sow, that is per